Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an easy and foolproof way to connect your Eufy UT security camera to your TV. Whether you want to monitor your home in real time or just enjoy a bigger screen view, this guide will make it simple, so stick around till the end. Check TV compatibility. Before we start, make sure your TV supports casting or screen mirroring. This includes devices like Chromecast, Android TV, or a Fire TV stick. If you're unsure, just check your TV's specifications or dive into the settings menu. It only takes a minute. This step is crucial because without it, the connection won't work. Prepare the UT app next. Grab your smartphone and open the UT security app. Once you're in, look for the cast icon. It's usually a small rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol in the corner. This icon is your gateway to streaming your camera feed directly to your TV. Connect to your TV, tap the cast icon, and a list of available devices will pop up. Simply select your TV from the list. In a few seconds, your phone will establish a connection and your TV is ready to display your camera feed. It's really that easy. Select the camera feed. Once your TV is connected, go back to the app and choose the camera you want to view. Instantly, the live video stream will appear on your TV screen. You can now monitor your home in real time, enjoy a bigger view, and even show it to family members if needed. And there you have it. Connecting your Eufy camera to your TV is quick, easy, and perfect for keeping an eye on things from the comfort of your couch. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart home tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.